Hi everybody, Philip Rodocker, John L. Scott, my business partner, Vasily Kalin, bringing you another beautiful, beautiful property, Federal Way right now. And I'll tell you what's so beautiful about this. Actually, it's the reason why we're inside is right behind me, you can see the construction that was done on this property. The contractors that put this one together spared no expense. There are some details in this house that you're not gonna see in any other house right now. So I tell you what, I can talk about it, but I want Vasily to kind of highlight some of the extras in this house that he really appreciates about the property.
Phil, what a beautiful designed property. Our contractors that has spared no detail and no effort on getting this one just beautiful and ready for the market. Everything has been touched and refinished throughout the house. We have brand new bathrooms, we have brand new flooring, brand new painted throughout the house, beautiful railings, brand new kitchen, stainless steel appliances. Everything has been done perfectly. In addition to that, the outside is beautiful. Fully fenced in, a beautiful deck just ready for entertainment, covered area as well. I mean, this house has it all.
And it's got a secret room, you guys. When you come in, you're gonna see it. Come on in, let's take a look.